In this video, we will be replacing the license plate light bulbs in this 2003 Toyota Camry. When we turn on the lights to the vehicle, the license plate lights do not illuminate. To replace these bulbs, we first want to open the trunk. On the underside of our trunk, we have our trunk lid liner. This is held on by multiple fasteners. These fasteners are made of plastic, and they first unscrew and then they pull straight out. And if they just spin and turn, we can apply a little bit of pressure with a flathead screwdriver to help remove that. In total, I removed 15 of those clips, and we can see that the liner is loose with the exception of the trunk release latch holding that in place. Now, just with the clips removed, you can probably pry this off and have enough room to get in there to change the light bulbs. However, for the purpose of this video, I will show you how to remove that lid liner entirely. If we take a look at our trunk release lever, we want to focus on the side the arrow is not pointing to. We can see that there is a small indentation. This is where we can separate the two plastic components of the trunk release lever handle. And then the other half of it is held on by 3 small clips. And to release this, we will work a flathead screwdriver into the seam connecting the rest of this handle with the clips. And then that liner should slip out. And with that liner removed, we have clear access to our wiring harnesses for our license plate light bulbs. And to remove these, we can rotate the wiring harness counterclockwise just slightly and wiggle that out. And we can wiggle that bulb out. And the new bulbs I purchased were 28-25 bulbs. I always like to double check the size of the bulbs just to make sure that they look about the same as well. And we'll slip that new bulb in place. And it's not a bad idea to replace the other bulb as well, since we do have that trunk liner off. Now, before we put this all back together, I do want to test the bulbs first, just to make sure that they are working. And both these bulbs are looking excellent. We can reinstall both those harnesses, put our trunk liner back in, and to install those clips, I'm going to make sure the head is pulled out. I'm going to slide that clip in and push that in place. Reattach my release handle. And connect that outer cap. And test it one last time. And they're looking pretty good.